Alright, heading over to PP1. The place, the main place, the bike, the local bike community here in Houston meet up. Gonna meet a few, link up with a few buddies. Try to get another group ride of some sorts going on again. There's probably a lot of wind noise right now. Man, I really need to get a new helmet, a quieter one, or just a better one in general. This thing is I bought it for cheap from a friend of mine, kind of a hand-me-down. But when I got it from him, you know, it kind of stayed in his garage for a while, and rubber seals or gaskets or whatever, like, they were falling off. I had to Gorilla Glue them back on. It's still kind of compromised, as you could probably tell in the video. But yeah, good day today. Like, good riding weather, I guess you could say. It's still a little bit chilly for my taste. I hate cold, but sun's out, clear skies, you know, it's all good. Like, this weather right now would be perfect if it wasn't for a chilly wind. Wearing my new Speed and Strength Critical Mass hoodie, armored hoodie. It's pretty nice. I've been using a Joe Rocket mesh jacket that I got from a hand-me-down from the same person I got this helmet from, which is a good jacket. It's just a size too small, and it's a mesh jacket. It's only good for summer riding. So I'm a little bit warmer in this. So in terms of a helmet, I'm really leaning towards the Icon Airframe Pros. Those things are nice, good price, and from what I could tell in reviews and stuff, that they are pretty damn good in terms of quality. I really would like the Pleasure Dome too. Like that, I think they discontinued that graphic, and so it's on closeout on a lot of websites. A lot of those websites are running out of the larges, but I really like that. The design on that helmet. It's a discontinued product, so kinda sorta collector's status, I guess. But I also like their Nakova too, because I like that design of an angel with the AK-47. That's sick. That's just fucking sick. They're both in the $200 range. I gotta make sure I got the money before I can spring for something like that. 100, baby. Woo!
Hi, doggies.
As much as I don't like the idea of riding in downtown, shit, even on four wheels, it's pretty sketch. I still feel it's not as bad as Chinatown. And there's an Asian joke somewhere in there, but I did it once and I just never again. I would have to have a good reason to ride the bike in Chinatown next time. Oh shit, idiots. Oh damn. Well, that sucks. Yeah, you check your makeup. You check your makeup if it's good, girl. And your hair. Oh my god. Such traffic. Let's go, people. Shit. Oh my god, and it's yellow, and it's red. SL63 AMG, nice. Apex 1. I don't know what that means, but okay. Nice, there he is.
So messed up. It's like curved all the way over.
Oh,
it was so awesome though, because at the stunt lot, that's where I was in the first gear and I was trying to get it 12 o'clock.
Okay, yeah.
And then I slid off the back.
Ah.
There was one other dude that went down that day.
Yeah.
And I was like, I felt bad. I was the guy that went down. But like as soon as I did, I got back up, looked at the bike, put it in gear and just wheelie. I kept wheeling.
Nice, okay.
I can't go out on a fall, you know?
Yeah, you gotta keep going, you know? You gotta keep trying.
I went trail riding last night. I was like, fuck it, sleeping dirty. I just washed it yesterday.
I was just gonna say, you got a lot of like dried grass, or like dead grass stuff. Oh, okay. Woo! Yeah, boy. Yeah, so the other buddy, he still at work. He doesn't get off till like another half an hour. Just riding around till he heads over this way for about another hour. Hey. Woo, shit. I got that shit.
You can ride to the stunt lot if you want.
Oh, sure, that's fine, that's cool. Yeah. Damn, boy. Watch out. God damn. I was hitting that neutral. Oh, shit. Oh, I moved over here because that car was there, and I was just like, ah. And then if I knew we were gonna do that, then yeah.
Mini wheelie though.
Huh?
Mini wheelie.
I did?
Yeah.
What? Oh, ow, God damn it, that hurt. Oh. Yeah. Hopefully, yeah.
I think I did though. I'll have to go back and check.
Was that? Yeah. I know for sure I couldn't tell with my cameras. There's someone here. I don't know if it's the stunt lot or a stunt lot, but it'll be my first time here. I always wanted to go, but I never had anybody to go with, and I didn't know like where it was, and damn it. Fucking noob moves all day. Nice. It,
Up all right here, dude.
and the,
Dude's taking video or not. If he is,
oh yeah, he's definitely taking video. Yeah.
yeah. Of course, I turned off the GoPro. That's badass.
Yeah.
That's badass.
He's letting the Mustang run wild with no crowds around. That's that's smart. Woo. Hey. Oh shit. Hey. Got it. Yeah, that's what's up. I got it.
Yeah?
I got it on this, yeah.
One of the better second gear wheelies I've done. Yeah!
You held it for a good long while too. That was sick.
And then, trying to do stoppies, but I don't think my front brake's quite strong enough.
Yeah.
Like I believe I've tried it and just tried sending it. It doesn't work.
Jesus, fucking pothole, I swear. Oh shit!